Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC. Now, in the next 2 weeks, LUNC is about to burn about 10 billion coins of Terra Classic. Yes, in 2 weeks. Now, based on the current burning. Now, there have been a proposal to burn more Terra Classic coin within the next 3 months, and this proposal will see some of the top holders of Terra Classic offering to burn some of their holding. Now I believe that though I don't think that Terra Classic might really burn much with this proposal, because not many people will want to engage in this. Only those who really want to freely have to burn some of their coin, and I believe, but though they are targeting the top holders to see if they can, some of them will cooperate in order to offer some percentage of their coins for burning. Now I believe this will definitely help Terra Classic LUNC coins, and I believe that yes, even based on the current burning right now, in the next 2 weeks, Terra Classic is being predicted to burn over 10 billion coins of Terra Classic LUNC. Yes, within the next 2 weeks, which is definitely, for some people believe it is impossible, but I believe it is possible because of this latest plan to engage some of the top holders to burn some of their holdings. So even though they decide to burn 2% or 3%, even though we have just 5-10 of the top holders, I believe we can achieve the 10 billion burn in 2 weeks, and Terra Classic can really achieve this. So let's keep supporting Terra Classic, and I believe with this latest burning, if they achieve this, we should be talking about Terra Classic moving towards 80 billion bonds. Okay, and though the journey to 100 is still far, but I believe this same year we are into 2023, we are going to achieve that level. We are even going to go beyond that level of burning over 100 billion to 115 billion coins. So I'm happy for Terra Classic. I'm happy with the fact that they are now want to really engage some of the top holders. Well, please remember, this is not the financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.